Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 under ₹500 for my summer skin and hair essentials. Now honestly, all of these products can be used in any other season and it's not just summer specific, but I feel especially for summers you need all of these in your life and they're all under a budget, which is always a yay. Now a quick heads up, I have absolutely no sunscreens in this video because I feel like sunscreens deserve their own special spotlight, their own special video. There have been so many new launches in the Indian market and behind the scenes I've been trying all of them out. So let me know if you want to see like a sunscreen specific video, and if yes, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to tell you about my favorite sunscreens or 10 new sunscreens that I've tried? But we're not going to make this intro any longer. I'm going to jump right into the video and share some beautiful products that are under a budget and would make your summer season or any other season a much more easier. Let's start off with the only hair care product I have in this video. I have my Tresemme Keratin Repair Bond Plex oil with me right here. This is a multi-purpose oil. Not only this is supposed to make your hair much more stronger and the bonds much more healthier, but this is also a heat protectant. So it's great for the summertime because I've always said this, you need to use a heat protectant even if you're just stepping out because your hair can also get photo damage. So this is a beautiful product to have because the texture is lightweight and lovely. You can easily use it on your hair and it won't weigh your hair down. You can use it on dry hair, damp hair, pre-styling, post-styling, whenever it is that you want to use it. And again, as I said, it's not heavy at all. It's also great for the upcoming monsoon season when we all know that frizz is going to be the bane of our existence because this tames your hair down. The second product I want to talk about is something people don't generally talk about, but I feel like is super important. I have my Chemist Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Cleanser. Basically, this is a makeup remover, but this is also a daily cleanse for your skin. Now, you must be thinking, why is this a summer essential? Isn't this a makeup person essential? But no, if you are using sunscreens, chances are that it's going to clog up your pores because of the heavy amount of metals present in there that cannot be cleansed just with a face wash. You need to double cleanse even if you're just using a sunscreen and not makeup per se. So having something like this, which is a lightweight daily use oil that will melt all of that sunscreen off your skin, is amazing for the summer. So your skin can breathe once it's repairing during the nighttime. It can get healed up and all of that. Now, of course, this melts your makeup away as well. It's not lightweight in a way that it won't cleanse your makeup off properly. So even if you are a makeup wearer, you can go for this one. But especially if you use sunscreens, you need to make sure you double cleanse so your skin can be healthy, happy and thriving. Now, the theme for this video till now has been summer products and multitasking products. And we're going to continue with that with the next product I have for you guys. I have Quench Botanicals User Fine 2-in-1 Vitamin C Scrub Plus Face Mask. Now, truth be told, a lot of people do not like physical exfoliants anymore. Personally, I do like them, but they have to be gentle enough on my skin. However, this one does have apricot seed powder in there, but I actually prefer it for the mask purpose and not for the scrub purpose. Even though the scrub particles in there are so well dispersed, they are not tightly packed, so it's not going to really damage your skin because of how far apart each particle is from one another. But you do not need to use it like a scrub. I really like how this works as a mask. It actually brightens up the skin and it feels like it has lifted a layer of gunk off my skin, which is the best feeling ever, especially after a hot day out in sun. It feels so refreshing to put this on. The mask works and it's affordable. What's there not to like? I mean, maybe the apricot seed powder, but that's a hot take. So if you want a more gentler version of this, Simple actually has something that's very similar to this one. They have a scrub and mask also with vitamin C in there, and they use bamboo exfoliants. I have recommended that one as well in the past, so I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar. So if you don't want to go for the apricot seed thing, you can definitely go for the simple one and you can get similar results. However, the mask on this one is slightly better than the simple one. Time for a lip balm recommendation, because what is even my video without an affordable lip balm recommendation for you guys? So I have this one by Dot & Key with me here today. This is called their Barrier Repair Ceramide Plus Peptide Lip Balm. That's a long ass name, but this has SPF 50 and PA triple plus in there. That's great for your lips because lips are super sensitive and they can get pigmentation like this under the sun. So you need to protect them up. Again, I've always said this. I've recommended so many lip balms with SPF, but this is the first time I'm coming across something that has SPF 50 in there, and they also have beautiful shades. I have the shade Plush Pink with me right here that looks gorgeous on the lips, but they also have a red or brown and you can choose from them if you just want an extra bit of color or you just want to mute it down with the color. They look beautiful. They're sheer. They're not fully pigmented. I've also liked Gloss Boss by Dot & Key in the past, but these ones have taken it up a notch higher because the moisturization actually stays for a really long amount of time. Even when the shine fades out, the color fades out, the moisturization stays, which is super important. But because you need to keep on reapplying your SPF on your body and your face, it's the same thing with your lips. So if you're reapplying this throughout the day, I don't think your lips will miss anything whatsoever because this has a nice amount of slip, emolliency and everything to it. And now for my last recommendation, I want to finish this video off on a strong note. So I have something that is meant for everybody. It does not matter what your preferences are when it comes to skincare, hair care, body care, makeup. This will work for you irrespective of that. I have my Chemist at Play Underarm roll-on. Now this is their fragrance-free version, and I have tried their normal fragrance version earlier and I really liked it, and I've emptied it out as well. And I remember saying in my empties that I really like the product, but the fragrance did put me off a little, and I'm so glad they heard me. Or maybe they were just doing this irrespective of me saying anything whatsoever. But I'm gonna, toot my horn a little bit and be like, they've made this fragrance-free version for me. Now there is absolutely no fragrance to this, but this prevents any bad odor from coming out as well. So you can easily apply this if you're someone who does not like a lot of fragrances. I know fragrances for some people also causes migraines, or if you're someone who loves their perfumes way too much, is going to be godsend, because this is going to make sure you're not smelling bad and your perfume can really take that spotlight for you. I'm so glad they did this, but the only thing is, do not use it on the day that you remove your underarm hair. If you've shaved it, waxed it, epilated it, anything, do not use it on that day. This will sting, because this is also exfoliating, which is great for the summertime because this will ensure there are no ingrown hair or bumps, or this will also make sure the darkness goes away. I know a lot of people are insecure about their underarm darkness, however that's completely normal, but this will exfoliate your skin, your underarm skin as well. So do not use it on the day that you remove hair. Other than that, this is a beautiful product and I recommend it to everyone out there. And that's everything I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these recommendations, but do let me know your top summer picks so I can try out your recommendation. But I hope to see you guys pretty soon in my next video. Till then, stay hydrated. It's crazy hot outside, so please take care of yourself. I love you all so much and I'll see you guys super soon. Mwah. Bye.